Duplo Jurassic World Lego time. Oh boy. Let's put these together. We'll take a look at the little dinosaurs that we've got right here. And we've got a nice blue one, Triceratops blue dinosaur. Look at that little guy. He's got little horns, see that? Nice. Now we've got a Brachiosaurus. Kind of looks like a dinosaur giraffe if you look at the markings on him. Look at that neck, cute little guy. And he's our yellow Brachiosaurus. Let's build our little Jurassic World. And here we've got our little Jurassic World character. Set him over by the dinosaurs. And while we're building this, we gotta be careful because there are a lot more dinosaurs in Jurassic World. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna build a tree. Here's our Jurassic tree. Jurassic World Duplo Lego, all built. Wow, look at the dinosaurs. Look at these guys. Where are they coming from? They must be coming to visit their friends at Jurassic World. Want to eat some grass?
Oh, look at the dinosaurs. Wow. Wow, look at the dinosaurs. Woo, that is not scary. Wow, Mommy, gotta go. See you later. Oh, I'm gonna hide. Come on. Now you can't get me. Ooh, let's dance.
That was funny. Pinky over here, he can't dance real well.
Yes, I do. Look at me, I can jump. Yes, I do.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Ow! Scratch my back better. Oh, that feels good. Yeah. Ooh, that feels good. Yeah, do the teeth thing again. That felt better. Now, teeth. Do the teeth thing. Get my fin. Thank you. Now I'm gonna go home, have some lunch. I gotta go. See you later. Bum, 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 bum. Ow! You got some sharp teeth. You better go to the dentist. Plus, you better brush your teeth. Look at that. Better brush your teeth better. Brush your teeth, kids. Because you don't want to have teeth that look like that, do you? No, not at all.
Can I take a picture with you, dinosaurs? I would really like that. That would make me happy today. I'm gonna get a picture with these guys. Ooh.
Wow, this dinosaur is tall.
Can you go ahead and take a picture with me and the dinosaurs? Yeah, get the camera right. Make sure you got it right. And don't be laughing too much, all right, Gary? You gotta get in the picture here, and I want to look happy. Okay, now get your yellow camera. See if you can get me. I'll stand over here, right here. All right, you got the picture now? Come on, Gary, get it. Oops, I keep falling on my face. Okay, Gary, that's it, Gary. Why are you laughing? Man, Gary, get that yellow camera better. Snap a few videos with me and the boys. Yeah, Bob and Bill over here. We want to have a good time. Okay, I'm smiling. I think I'm going to go for a ride. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to jump on Bill. Come on, Bill. Woo! Oops. I better practice skateboarding more. I'm not so good. I think I'll sit here. Ooh-wee, this is really fun. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Thank you, Gary.
Let's learn our colors for each of the parts. Green, blue dinosaur, lime green block, brown, yellow, white, dark brown, gray, light blue, yellow dinosaur, dark green, red, Thanks for watching GoGo Dino Jurassic World Duplo Kit.